got to know who I was working with a lot better. So this is what I kind of alluded to. Anne's post was talking about Reap World, and the great thing is we've already used it, and this was just an example, and we've already shown ways where it's helped us out a lot. So I think with participation in this blog, we can really share a lot of good ideas and do a lot of new things. And I'm encouraging everyone from ESL, GED, and Diploma to try to participate in this. Now, I sent you a weird email about being what's the word?
Scared.
No, yeah, you're scared. But a moderator, being a moderator. Right now, I'm the only person that can edit. Yeah, I'm the only person that can edit and change anything, and that stinks.
No, I am.
Oh yes, Lisa actually joined. Lisa joined. So I figured maybe if we wanted, one more thing. We'll talk about the moderation part because I'm going to bring up the blog. The one reason I use Blogger, it's a Google-based, and so basically it runs right with our collab accounts. So if you have a collab account, which you all should have already, it's very easy. You have to just sign into your collab account and then you can post. If you make a post without signing in, it'll go away and it might bring you to Google, your Google sign-in, right? Which is what happened.
Multiple times.
Multiple times, I'm sorry.
Long things, I wrote wonderful stuff.
No, and Rita, I've never seen Rita so upset. So Rita came in and she was like, Chris, what's going on? And we fixed it. So I understand there is some frustration, and that's my fault for not being clear and, not knowing everything about this yet. But yeah, if you sign in with your Google Colab, if you're signed in on the computer, you should be able to post right away. All you have to do is click here to the Dropbox and hit Google account, and your name will pop up. It'll be Chris Ria, and then right away. And you can write whatever you need to write. But it helps if you're logged into your Google Colab. Anything to add to that?
Well, some people are already logged in their personal Gmail, so they come up as somebody else. I have a personal blog that I did in Indonesia, and I didn't want to put my name on it, so my name is MC. So any post you see that can be MC.
If you see a penguin?
See a little penguin?
That's Lisa. That's Lisa.
Yeah. And so for me, that's just happened the first time, and then I realized that if I wanted to do it just as a work person, I would have to sign out of all of my personal Gmail on my computer, and sometimes it doesn't do it automatically. I just thought, forget it.
It's hard sometimes.
That's who I am.
Yeah.
And that's fine.
Penguin lady.
Yeah. And that's the thing, I have two Google accounts, and it comes up on the screen. My personal one, and Eric, you're dealing with this too, and my professional one.
It's the personal one is just really hard to sign out of.
Yeah, it is. It always seems like it's logged in.
I have that problem with my Hamlin one.
Yeah, I have a Hamlin one too.
Yeah, it's really.
For us, this is professional. I would have, anything you post, make sure you're on your collab account.
How do you know? Can you tell from there that if you're in or not?
Eric, this is a screenshot.
Okay.
So I'll show you. I'll bring that up. It just tells you your name, and I know because what I've kind of trained myself to do. Well, that's the problem.
So if it says comment as Google account, then you shouldn't
That's
do
nothing.
it.
Your name, you won't. Nothing will happen.
If you try to enter something, it'll all be erased.
No. Sometimes it will be. Okay. This is what happens. If you enter in your account, or if you type stuff, and then you go, Google account, and it says, nope, you click publish. It'll take you right to your Google login page.
Oh.
If you log in successfully, your first time, okay, let's say logged in, you go back to this, you hit publish, it'll come up.
Okay.
But if you log in unsuccessfully, like you don't know your password, this disappears.
Or if you're already logged in under a different email, it might just automatically right away do it under a different.
This is what I told my students because this is what we had a lot of trouble with in class. This is what I did. Copy it. Before you try to publish it, just highlight it, copy it. Okay, then go ahead and hit publish, and if something happens, all you have to do is repaste it. Now, if you become a moderator, this will be much easier, which, in my opinion, I was hoping the staff would want to do if they want to do something more interesting, because I don't want to be the person posing all the questions or saying, let's share. It should be, Rita did something interesting in class, here's what I did. And then anyone want to use it, share it. And then we get to see what you've posted and what you did, and we can make comments saying, great idea, Rita, or, oh, I'm going to use that, or nothing. You don't have to say anything. But this is a way for us to share quicker than once every 2 months meeting with our team. And then for me especially, I'm meeting with my team, but then I'm not meeting with my other team. And you know, we have some great ideas in diploma that can be used in GED, that can be used for level 4, level 3. There's a lot of things that can be transferred over. So that's kind of what